Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So this is the fifth lecture of your complete Java training for beginners, and in this lecture we are going to talk about Bitwise. So Bitwise operator, why we need to understand the Bitwise operator, what is the use of the Bitwise operator. This is very basic and important things to know. So just keep your mind cool and just let's understand about this. So basically in case of bitwise operator, what we are doing now, compared to the numbers and all, we are just dealing with the 0 and 1 binary form numbers. Okay, binary means we are writing each and every number in the form of 0 and 1. You can see it here, I have wrote the values of some numbers in the form of 0 and 1. So no need to mug up these things, like you can directly search on Google also, like how to convert a number into binary or decimal or something, and you can get. So it's a basic thing, no need to mug up and all, because I too don't used to mug up and these things. Okay, so basically our target is to understand where we are using the bitwise operator and why we need to understand this also. So this is the main topic our. Okay, so why we are using because whenever we are dealing with a bitwise operator using the binary numbers so it make our code very easy and work fast compared to the numbers value. Like if you are writing the 4, okay, so and if you are writing the 4 in the form of binary number, so it will compare to this the binary will perform very fast as compared to the number value. Okay, so now let's understand, and here you can see I have created one binary array. Okay, and in this I have passed some values. Okay, so literally no one remember these things, so you should also no need to worry about these things, what are this value and all. Okay, now I have defined a value integer a equal to 3 and b equal to 6. So you can see it here, 3 can be written as 0 plus 2 plus 1, okay, is equal to 3, and we can write this in the form of binary 0011. Okay, same for b equal to 6 also. If the value of is 6, then we can write 4 plus 2 plus 0, and we can write this in binary form 0110. Okay, now when you will go to college, so there you will see how we are writing the converting the decimal from binary form, and how we are writing. You will know, they will teach you how to write the 3 in the binary form, how to write the 6 in the binary form. So for understanding purpose only, just understand how we are writing, no need to mug up, because if they are giving the some binary form, so how you can convert into digit, you should know the idea how to convert into digit. Okay, so these are the basic things you will know in college also. Now come to the point, basically, because when you will go to development field also, no need to worry about these things to mug up and all. You will get the directly ideas about these things. So first of all, we are dealing with the OR operator. How the OR operator sign is this. Okay, and this is the AND operator sign, and this is the XOR operator sign, and this is the NOT operator sign. You can see it here, this one is a NOT operator. You can say it is a complement also. So we'll talk about this also. Okay, now just run this one and see the values. Okay, so now run Java application, or you can see it here, some values came. So let me compare and explain about these values. Okay, so see here, 3 is equal to 0011 and 6 is equal to 0116. Okay, and first of all we are dealing with what, you can see it here, we are dealing a value is 0011, b equal to 0110, and c value is a and then or b. So how this value came 0110, let's understand this one. In case of OR operator, what's happened now, if you will compare 0 and 0, first is 0, second is 0, so 00 will become 0. Okay, and 01 will become 1 in case of OR. Okay, 01 will become OR, in case of 11 it become 1, and in case of 10 it become 1. So you have studied in physics also, I think, XOR operator, NOR operator, these things you have studied already in physics also. So let's just revise these things. Okay, in case of AND operator, how it behave. Okay, so 00 it will become 0, 01 it will become 0, in 11 it will become 1, and in case of 10 it will become 0. So basically what happened here, if we are writing 11, it's give the 1 value, other than this it will give the always 0 value. Okay, so you need to just understand, in case of AND operator, only one value will 1, other will be 0. In case of OR operator, what will happen if the values are, like you can say, if the values are 0 0, then only 0 will come, otherwise all the value will come as a 1. Okay, in case of XOR operator, basically what happening, you can compare this. In XOR operator we get 0 1 0 1. Okay, so if we are comparing 0 0, it will give the 0 value. If we are comparing 0 1, it will give the 1 value. If we are comparing 1 1, it will give the 0, or 1 0 will give 0. So basically what happened in case of XOR operator, you can just notice, in case of 1 1 it will become 0. Okay, or in case of 0 0 it will become 0. In other cases it will give the always 1 value. Mean in case of same it will give the 0 value, in case of different it will give the 1 value. Okay, now the important to know about this, the bitwise not operator and bitwise not, and basically you can say this is a complement also. So I have passed -3 value, okay, for k, and f is equal to that not k. So what we are getting, complement k, we can say it complement k. So what we are getting, the value 2 we are getting. Okay, so how it came to, we need to know, like wait, let me pass it here, k. Okay, so save it and run this one. So k is 2 here. How this is coming and how this being, we pass -3. So see, you can compare this, -3 plus 1 is equal to -2, and if you change the sign of -2, how it will become, it will become +2. Obviously it will become +2. If I am writing 3 here, so you notice one thing here, what happening, we are adding 1 and then changing the sign. Okay, -3 plus 1 -2, -2 change to +2. So if we'll run it again, let me change this value of this one, positive value, save it and run this one and compare the value. Okay, so see, it become how much it become, -4. So what happened here, you can see I added 1 and changed the sign. Same in first case also. Now also I am adding 1, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and 4 will change the sign into minus, so it will become minus. So now your task to change the numbers, that's why I have written these things to understand these things. Okay, so our next task is to just you have to change your numbers values, and you can compare these things and comment if you understand. If you are getting any problem, then also comment. Okay, we will deal with these things. So for this lecture, that much only, and we will discuss next topic in next lecture. So take care, bye bye, thank you.